mtoto nje ya ndoa imefanyika kuja. Mtoto ni wako. Kuja ule mtoto. Mtoto sio dhambi, mtoto ni wako. Kuja akuwe dedicated kwa madhabahu na wewe pia urudi kwa Mungu, uanze safari. Utashinda hapo. Walk, be bold. Bwana asifiwe. There's another bold woman called Abigail. Abigail is in the book of 1 Samuel chapter 25. You know the story of Abigail? Ilifanyika nini? Abigail she's doing her own things. She's a mama. She's a wife of a big man in the city, doing her things. And then the big man, there's another bigger man called David. David comes because he knows it is shearing season for the sheep. And what used to happen after people had sheared, yani wametoa manyoya, walikuwa wana celebrate. So there was a lot of food during that season. So David sent his men to go and receive food portions from Naba.